My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called ZILLA. ZILLA is a ransomware that actually may damage the files that people store on their hard drives. My video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. I am not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I will show you how damaging this ransomware is. Before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open the files without troubles: pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this ZILLA ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer. It reveals this ransom note, ZILLA, titled as ZILLA, and the ransomware tells the victims to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable security software called Combo Cleaner. You may get Combo Cleaner on the official website combocleaner.com. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you will need to select your scan type. In fact, 3 scan types are available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. Even though the trial mode only gives you the Quick Scan option. Full Scan and Custom Scan are the parts of the premium license. So to use these 2 scan types, the premium license upgrade is required. So click on Start Scan button in order to detect and identify all sorts of malware, ransomware, and other threats on your computer. While the scanning is in progress, you may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, if you go to the settings and click on Anti-Ransomware tabs, you can add a special folder which will store the files that will be duly protected against ransomware attacks and encryption. So this feature, however, is only the part of the premium license. So you need to wait until the scanning is completed, and at the end of scan you will need to click on the Remove All Threats button. This will help you to get rid of the ransomware type threats and other threats such as adware, browser hijackers, and other kinds of computer infections.